Hello everyone, I am Taha Muhammad. Let me make Google Meet ready. Okay, this is Google Meet. Okay, I would like to repeat the Collatz solution second way. Okay, let me bring the ruler. Okay. Do you see Collatz sequence proof second way? Abstract, even divide by 2 and odd multiply by 3 plus 1. Okay, when you repeat this, you will get 1 for any natural number, positive natural number. Proof. Let Collatz sequence of n is Sn. When you see Sn, it means sequence, Collatz sequence. Loop of Collatz, I made it LS n, it means loop. Here I have a fact, this belongs to me, I discovered that, which is sequence of n. F equals A, B, C continue for W and stops, if and only if the loop of n equal loop of B equal loop of C, and so on. I name it fact 1. Okay, now let me try sequence 1 is what? 4 to 1. Okay, the loop of 1 is 4 to 1. Sequence 2, same. Sequence 3 is 10, 5, 16, 8, 2, 4 to 1. Then the loop is 4 to 1. And sequence 4, same, 4 to 1. Sequence 5, multiply by 3 plus 1, 16, divide, you got. Always you see, take any number, you will see 4 to 1. Is this correct for any number? Okay. Let this correct for the huge big number like R. Okay, and R is here for me even or odd, it doesn't matter. When it is even, divide by 2. If it is odd, multiply by 3 plus 1. When I tell or, it means one element here. Then I let this assumed this sequence R end up to 4 to 1. That means the loop of R is 4 to 1. Now we go to second step. Here I have to tell R is what? If R even, the next one will be R plus 1. Okay, that's why I come here, I tell, okay, the loop of any number equal 4 to 1 belong to set, I name it Z. And this Z is what? See, I started from 1, correct? 1, 2, 3 million, 2 million, 3 million, until, you know, R. But R, I have to name it even. Why? Because I know another integer before R, R plus 2 over 2, when this is R plus 2 is even, divide by 2, the answer is a digit. Like 8 divided 2 is 4, or 14 divided 2 is 7. Both are a digit. This will happen if R is even. And suppose this R should be more than 2, because we know 1, 2, 3, or, but at least tell R more than 2. Why? Because if R is 2, R 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Divide 2 is 2. And in this case, that means those two becomes equal. No, I need this one smaller than R. That's why I told R should be even and greater than 2. And of course, even numbers. Even numbers, it means more than 2, like 4, 6, like that. Number 3, I go to next step. If R is correct, what about R plus 2 is still 4 to 1? See, I am asking, is loop for R plus 2 equal 4 to 1? Question mark. When R is what? R plus 2 is even, of course. How I prove that? I will take this even number and use the rule of Collatz. If even divide by 2 and go, we don't know where yet. But I know fact. The loop of R plus 2 same as loop of R plus 2 over 2. See? I name it equation 1. This is by fact 1. This fact 1 is belong to me. I have a copyright. Nobody uses it in the world. It is mine. Okay. Taha M. Muhammad, USA, Kurd, Kurdistan of Iraq. This fact is mine. Okay. Now, depend on that fact, I got that. The loop of R plus 2 equal the loop of this element inside the sequence, the set. Okay. Now, but I know R plus 2 over 2 belong to Z. Go look. See? This is Z, and R plus 2 over 2 is here, element in Z. Therefore, any element in Z from 1 to R, the loop is always 4 to 1. See? 4 to 1. Good. Now, because of this in Z, the loop of this element is 4 to 1. Okay. Now I come to substitute this things in equation 1. This becomes 4 to 1 equal to who? See? LS R plus 2 equals 4 to 1. Substitution in equation 1. And I got this LSN for any number. Not just R plus 2, R plus 4, R plus 6. No. For any N is even, the answer is the loop 4 to 1. Okay. What about odd number? Okay. I name it 5. Before I was telling part A, part B, if you remember. Just I changed it a little bit to make it clear for you guys. Okay. If N is odd, then what shall I do? The rule is what? Multiply by 3 plus 1 and goes forever. I will stop someplace, of course. Okay, or we don't know. Then use the fact. What's fact? The loop of N should be equal loop of 3N plus 1. This is fact. Sequence, it is Taha's fact. Fact number 1, I found it in Collatz sequence. Okay. Since this is even 3N plus 1, this is even. When it is even, I know any even is 4 to 1 the loop. By number 3. Any even is 4 to 1. Then substitute in equation 2. This one. This side is 4 to 1. See, LSN equal 4 to 1 by substitution in equation 2. Okay, and N is odd. That means for any odd, I got that. For any even, I got same. That means LSN and that N, it doesn't matter. Even or odd, both will be 4 to 1 for all N in the set natural number by number 3, number 4. See, number 3 for even and number 4 for odd, and then I did prove it. See, it is one-page proof. Okay, one-page proof. Please, honorable math editors, I did send this for you guys, but I know maybe you didn't understand the fact, or you didn't believe that old man solved it. Yeah, I solved it. That's why I appreciate, please, if you tell me come Taha to university and present this 15 minutes enough. Only 15 minutes. Okay there. So what? And you make me happy and you tell Taha we do not find any step wrong. Then you are right. Then other math society will sign it for me, approve it, and then I will go to Baku H. Already I sent them my book and my solution to director of Baku H company. I did send, and I am taking a lawyer, I hope, okay, in order we apply for my math prize. I have a copyright at Congress Library, copyright at Amazon.com, this information, and copyright at Cambridge Opening Gates. See, Cambridge Opening Gates. Let me refresh it. Okay, see, 1,959, close to 2,000 people looked at it, and another close to 700 people downloaded, and nobody told me, Taha, you are wrong. Okay, and today I will put this video in my YouTube. You will see it in detail. Okay, and this is me. I have to tell you thank you so much. God bless all of you, and bye bye.